family vlog channels started out with good intentions to vlog about happy families. As time went on, family vlog channels became more exploitative and sinister for clout and profit. One of those examples would be the Lawbrand family. Note that I have blurred the video for the children's sake.
Evelyn and Posey kind of take turns throughout the morning wanting to hold the baby. They wake up. Can I hold the baby? So she doesn't nap anymore. So she just try new things to find out what's healthiest for my kids, right?
Love you, Daddy.
And
I
wake up, like I could go in her room, wake her up like 4 a.m. and she would wake up and start singing. La 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 la. Like princess wigs, they always turn so nappy. And I just think it's so funny because like the kids don't notice. Boy.
Good morning, boy. Look, he's here.
He does have silly hair, huh?
Yeah.
Look at
The emotional trauma of family vlogging channels is that kids who eventually grow up will sadly have to live with the fact that their most embarrassing moments are shown to the whole wide world. The devastating aftermath that I hope will drive change in the future is those grown-up kids making videos about how their online celebrity parents have exploited them when they were young.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love.